Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to refill your Wallflowers from Bath & Body Works. For the materials, you'll need Reed diffuser oil, your fragrance of choice, replacement wicks, an empty Wallflower container, pipettes, pliers, and of course, your Wallflower plug-in. First, fill a container with Reed diffuser oil. These containers are supposed to be 24 milliliters, so you'll need 18 milliliters of diffuser oil. Then add 6 milliliters of your fragrance oil. Mix it together. Then remove the old wick and stopper from the container. Cut the replacement wick down to size. Put it back in the stopper. Then pour the diffuser and fragrance oil mixture in the container. Put the stopper and wick back in the container. Screw it into the Wallflower plug-in. And that's it! It's so easy to do, and you can make different scents that Bath & Body Works may not offer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.